I tried to capture the essence of spirituality I learned before I die. And I said about nothingness, everything is impermanent, no self, no mind, no seeking, connect to the heart, and the mind is extra. What does the extra mean? Mind is like a fake. It's not the real thing, it's just the imagination. What's living is the heart and the lung and the body, and using whatever the memory that we capture and then do the best using the mind with wisdom and compassion. So the mind part is extra as human, and of course we can do something about it, but we have to know the